goes our roadblock.
What is in a traffic jam here?
Yeah, they're
Get off the road, Sam.
How many cars are standing on this road? So Daddy can't stop.
Where's that?
Now, why are you sitting here?
Do you see that stop sign?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I'm sitting here.
But why do you have to stop the car?
Because they're doing road work. Big dump trucks are coming through. They got big important things to do. They ain't got time to pass the day with every little kid along the way. Hey, hey, Mr. Trucker.
So what are you in a traffic jam? Are you in a traffic jam?
We're in a country traffic jam. What do y'all think about that? This is what our traffic jams look like. Nothing like 66, 495. And, oh my goodness, close the door.
It says STOP stop. Asphalt in these giant trucks.
We're gonna do a quick garden tour because I cannot believe what is in these beds. And contrary to what Darin was saying, he was making fun of my last garden tour because he said there wasn't really that much stuff. But I mean, I agree, but you gotta show when you start from the beginning. You start small because you're gonna be shocked at what these look like. I think it's only been like 2 weeks. Let me show you. This is that little bunch of thyme that was like half this. It was literally like maybe here, half this size. It is gigantic. And oh my word, the smell is unbelievable. This, if you missed it, made it through the entire winter and now has, I don't know, it's probably 10 times the size. This is oregano, also just huge. Here are some flowers that I planted in there. Oh, a weed. I think I also planted some peppers in here. Here's another weed. And here's my kale from seed. From seed kale. This is so exciting. This is kale from seed. This is a weed. Oh my goodness. Here is another. Look at that. Oh, it's so exciting. This guy's a little dead. We'll pluck that off. A seed. Oh my goodness, so exciting. More kale here from seed. I mean, I am just so happy. Who knew? Piece of kale. Okay. Lamb's ear. Here is the comfrey. Y'all remember the comfrey my friend gave me? It is 20 times the size. Absolutely unreal. Lots of weeds in here. We planted a lot of things in here, so these weeds are kind of growing up with everything we planted. So, trying to know the difference. That looks like a little tomato plant. That must be coming back from last year. That's crazy. These are dahlias, I believe, that we planted. This is so exciting. Literally. Okay, this is parsley. This is probably 4 feet high. And that is a baby. A baby sighting in the garden. Hi. 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 Are you coming? You coming down? Hi. Is that dirt? A dirt? These are Jerusalem artichokes. They are Absolutely huge. Probably also 4 feet tall. There's those spring onion chives. Another big bunch of oregano. I mean, it's huge. It's just huge and so exciting. Garlic. All the carrots. These are all carrots the kids had planted right here. And I've got to still keep weeding in here. Lots of weeds in here. And flowers. A baby. More oregano. More plants. Lettuce. Fresh lettuce from seed. Also so exciting. So tender. So delicious. More dahlias. More comfrey. That's huge. This is the garden. This is the garden. It's so exciting. Isn't it? It's so exciting. Darin's mowing the yard real quick.
All right, we got some new goats.
New goats. They're so cute. Hey guys, this is new. So
With us, and then she wants a picture. I would too, Allegra. Perfect, perfect.
Salem, stay back.
10 wheels. It has 10 wheels.
Because it's carrying a big load. Stay right there, baby. Look how cool that is. See it coming out and then pouring in and then it's smoothing it out. What do y'all think about that?
I love them. I literally love them.
So this is Goldie.
This is Goldie.
I thought we didn't keep Goldie because we got Goldie the dog.
Goldie the goat, sorry. It's too cute. And she has blue eyes. She just licked my nose.
Goldie the golden and Goldie the goat, I guess.
Oh, I love her. Goldie the goat.
She has blue eyes.
She has blue eyes. Hi.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Hi, she's so pretty. So pretty. And this is Abe. Darin wouldn't let me name him Abraham
No.
because he's gonna be the father to many goats. He's our one boy.
Abraham's name is too sacred. I wanted to preserve
so
it.
Abe, and he looks like an antelope. So he's Abe the antelope. And he's so pretty. And he's so pretty. And this is Genevieve. Genevieve is Goldie's sister. And I told Addie, we need a G name, and they're sisters. And she just said Genevieve. Well, Genevieve means white wave. And she did not know that. And she is a white goat. She's so cute.
Oh, little Abe. Man.
He's going to be the boss.
You gonna be the boss man?
Boss man?
Yeah, you look like Dada. You gonna be the boss man around here. Keep up with my legacy. I'm laughing behind the camera. Everybody knows. Y'all done seen 286 videos. Y'all know who's the boss. The Lord above. Where you think I was talking about you, babe?
No. I'm just in goat heaven here. Dada's trying to tackle the van, clean it out, which proves to be quite difficult to get under the seats. And these two are so cute, enjoying a popsicle. I'm watering. And Zion is sharing a popsicle with Goldie. Well, trying to take Nanny back to the airport. Woke up to a flat tire.
It's rusty.
Good job, Chapman. Y'all might have to help him pull it across the... Anymore.
Yeah, boy, I'm gonna pull it up. Big rock.
Y'all's dada is a real man. You know that?
You want another cat?
Nope, this is it. You did awesome, Chapman.
There's another one in there.
Thank you so much.
Big rock, get off this.
This is what changed your tire. You probably changed your tire on home with one jack.
One jack. One jack.
Yeah, 1.5 broken.
Oh dear. can you get out? So
Sit
I
back.
can lift this thing off. Get back, get back, get back. What will happen? No, get off.
Hey guys, do you think Dada wants to listen to that while he's trying to do this intense work? No. Get back, Chapman, a little. That's not how kings talk.
Only if you're not a good king. That's
how evil king.
evil king. That's an easy king. How Dad, can you get out so I can lift this up?
D strong.
Tell Nanny, she can come on.
11 years ago, you couldn't wield a hammer. What do you think? You think you've come a long way?
What wheel mean?
Babe, I'm so proud of you. Mama is so proud of Dada. You guys just don't even understand. One day you will. I'm glad you guys don't understand. I'm glad you guys will know that your Dada is your hero. He can do anything. Your Dada can do anything.
Killing all the ants.
Do you have that drill? That nut drill? Huh? All right, we're gonna have a fun family day. We're going to another family's house. They're having a big family event. Lots of fun things. Their barn is gorgeous, my goodness. And Adeline entered into the cupcake contest. So we are gonna go.
Breaking.
What? Okay, well,
whole thing is.
well, don't separate it.
breaking off.
We're gonna go enter her cupcakes first and then come back. You're. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Catch it! Catch it! Catch it! Ah! Good thing it's not a real train. It didn't go off the mountain.
If it was a real train,
Oh no, that would have been bad.
it could roll over your toe.
Oh, it could roll over your
If
toe
your shoe was off.
if your shoe was off. You are so. Ah! Salem. Salem knocked me over on my bum bee. You knocked me on my bum bee.
So this is how we're going to do this. We're going to divide up into different age groups. So when I call your age group, you're going to come up with your parents. Parents, I need you guys to come up with them because you're going to help them get their...
Get off the pole. Get off the pole. They're swinging so much.
Enoch, you know.
All right, it looks like we're ready. Okay, guys, everybody listen very carefully. Make sure. So you want to eat it as quickly as you can. And when you're all done and you've swallowed every single last bite, you're going to raise your hand. And Mr. Bourne here and Mr. King, who's over on the other side, are going to be looking out for you guys. And they're going to see who raises their hand first, second, and third place, okay? All right, on your mark. Get set. Eat that donut! On your mark. Get set. Go!
I don't know.
Whoa!
I swing like that.
He ran right in front of you.
She should have ran. Swing beam away, Mama. Oh, high. Very high.
Hi, Mercy. Whoa.
This is too wet. This is too
You know you're at the right place when there's 3 or 4 vans just like yours. Oh, I don't think we'll be getting questions today of, oh, you know what causes that? Are you done? Nope. Just people that will ask, how's it going? How many kids do you have? Well, we have 7. How many do you have? 15. 12. 10. Come on, guys. It's not as weird as you think. There's actually other people out here in America still reproducing under the blessing and favor of Almighty God, being fruitful and multiplying.
All right, so for the first age group, ages 5 to 10, our honorable mention is Zane and Rose Sharon with strawberry yum cupcakes. And first place, Zeke Bourne with cherry almond cupcakes.
cabin? Did you have fun?
Did
Addie?
we stay too long?
No, you did great.
We should have stayed. What?
You did awesome.
Why did we stay?
Twine, that is so cute. Oh my goodness, these are the best.
I'm gonna show you. They're pink big flowers.
Did you see, are these over by the gas tank?
No.
Where, are these on the road?
Yeah, right at the edge of the road.
I saw these on a bush by the gas tank. They're so, they're beautiful.
Oh, that might be the same bush that's up there.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You guys are awesome.
They stopped their four-wheeler ride. I said they could go ride till y'all got home. You guys wouldn't come get a bouquet.
Yeah.
It's the most, and you tied it with twine.
Yeah, we found the twine on the ground.
Absolute
and then
first
we
class,
snuck with
beautiful.
scissors out.
Absolutely.
Look at Marcy.
Good kiss.
Marcy.
I love your dress.
Yum.
Is that just because he's not eating enough? Or he's just losing it because he's just losing it? Well, she's right in our